So I took the course of 30 days, 30 days coding school. I have taken the course which includes all the 15 courses. Out of that, currently I'm doing the course of web development, beginner to advanced, where I have done HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It has been really helpful because the content is very precise. It is not very extensive, so that I'm spending a month or so only on CSS. So that is very helpful. And along with that, the projects are very good. There are full videos explaining us how to do the project step by step, as well as there is the code, the source code for the project is also given. And like they're giving us a base, and they're also letting us explore it on our own. Along with that, they have also shared that how uh, ChatGPT, Claude, and other AI can be used to make very interactive and good front end. So overall, it was a very good experience, and most probably in future, I will also do the other courses like MERN Stack for the back end, and the lifetime availability of the course is a very good plus point.